out here with the Bebop too. It's real mushy out here, man. It's freaking rained last night. Had a big ass storm came in. I haven't flown this thing in 8 months. I just want to take it up and discharge the battery some, because who knows when I'm ever have another chance to fly the damn thing. Oh, I think it's in the film mode. I like the sport mode. Okay. Yes, that's what I like. Yeah, that's what I like. I like the sport mode. Absolutely. It'll really get it in that sport mode, man. This thing will really get it. Big time. Too slow. Too slow, boys. Look at all the wobbles coming down. We got some storms brewing in here. You see that, right? Let me see what the heck this, what the heck is this thing here? Oh, okay, hold on a minute. Let me see. I don't remember this being on here before the update, because there was an update on this thing, and I'm just not sure, because it's showing some thing here. You just draw a picture, okay. Okay, what is it doing? Is it gonna follow me? Well, it's a tracking type thing. That's all it is. It's just a tracking, that's all. So, that's all that does. You have to pay extra if you want to follow me. Oh, look at that big bird right there. That's a huge condor. Let's go up and check it out. Man, that thing is ginormous. Holy cow. Wow, is that thing big. So maybe I want him to come back. Come back and get the Bebop. Well, that's too bad he didn't come over. I'd like to mess around with him for a little bit. That would have been pretty cool, actually. Wow. Looks like, well, not a condor, I'm sorry, like a turkey buzzard or something. Wanted to have a condor. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. This ain't California. Huh. Damn, it's too bad. It's too bad he didn't get sight of the Bebop faster. Okay, what am I looking at? 67% of the battery. Okay. I want to get it down to at least 50%. It's 250 feet up. But I see these clouds rolling in, so. I'll tell you, this thing gets up there in a hurry, man. In this sport mode, this thing will really scoot. So I still got 59% battery. So the battery is still good on this thing, because this part of the video has been going for 7 minutes and 30 seconds or whatever. Still can't figure out why this flips ain't working. See, you don't fly one of these things for so long and you forget all the controls. Okay, so that A and B, that's for the photo and the video, because I noticed the video restarted a couple of times. That's what that's about. So that's kind of bogus. Let me try this video mode again. No. Oh well, screw it. Who cares? I was just wanting to demonstrate the flip. I don't care if it flips or not, to be honest. I know it does because I did it before, so. Okay, I got the 50% battery. I'm bring it down now. Yay. All right. Oh, call the doctor. That's what I say. Bebop 2. Motors, cool as a cucumber. Nice. This is a nice quad, guys. You can get one of these pretty cheap. I'd get one. This thing is nice. It's got speed, nice camera, you know, it's sweet. Real nice. Alright, boys. I'm just going to sit here and wait for it to start raining. It's going to start storming any second, guaranteed. Sun's coming out too. Alright, guys. Have a nice day.